I didn't think to say it. Nobody asked me. I was the one who said yes or no. They said yes. I took it as a given. Here I bring you Titan TV Man in the Rain. The series is from Source. It all starts at the end of Skibidi Toilet 70. Why do I say this? If we look closely, one of the Titan TV screens is broken, just like in the original series. It should be noted that he was inspired by Woman of the Rain. Titan TV is in grave torn shadows, as if a cataclysm or tornado had just occurred. Keep that last bit in mind. We can see what everything around him is destroyed. Remember what I said before. You can also see the body of G-Toilet 4.0 dead. Something or someone killed him. Something unknown. After watching those, Titan TV tries to continue, but is stopped by the scientist TV man who warns him to stop. After they argued about what in the past, Titan TV ignores the scientist TV man and examines G-Toilet's skin. But before that, Big TV Man asked Titan Speakerman if Titan Cameraman was the one who killed G-Toilet. The Titan Speakerman says no, and the Big TV Man says to the scientist TV man later, remember I told you about a tornado? Exactly that tornado-shaped thing attacks Titan TV. But before that, scientist TV man warned Titan TV, but it was useless. To make it easier to understand it is. The Titan TV is driving through a destroyed forest area as if it had been a disaster. Then we can see an area where there was presumably a fight, but I can't think of anything else. Then we can see Jimmy's body, G-Toilet 4.0, dead. After that, Titan TV tries to continue but is stopped by the scientist TV man and the latter begins an argument with Titan TV. After that, Titan TV checks the G-Man to see if he's really dead. But before that, Big TV Man contacts Titan Speakerman if Titan Cameraman killed G-Toilet, and he answers, presumably not. But something terribly goes wrong. A tornado-like entity attacks the Titan TV. The scientist TV man tries to warn him, but it's too late.